Well, hey guys, Keith of Alaskan Motorhome. And anyways, this winter I usually put a cover on my motorhome, and I usually get up there and I clean the snow off. But this year we had a lot of heavy snows, and one time I didn't get up there, and the snow was so heavy that I installed one of these cyclone vents for your sewer pipe that spins, and the weight of the snow just. So I'm going to go up on the roof now and repair it because we're going to have a bunch of rain tomorrow, and I want to make sure it's not leaking. So I've got me some sealant here. So let's climb up there and see what it looks like. I just ripped my pants. Oops. Well, so here's my little cyclone vent. It was pretty cool because when the wind would blow, it would spin. But putting the cover on and then all the way to that snow, you see how it's all wobbly now? Ah. Now let's see if we can figure out what happened here. Worst case scenario, I just go buy another one. I think they're like 20 bucks. Alright. I see, so I need to get me a screwdriver. There's still another screw. That's a lot better. So is that even gonna stay together? I think the clip that holds it in place came off. inside here somewhere. Well, looks like I'm gonna have to rig it up until I can get a new one. So why don't we drill a hole here and on the other side and just put a couple screws. Well, I put one screw here and one screw here. It's not going to be able to turn, but at least it ain't going to come flying off. And it should block the rain out until I can get a new one. And we'll silicone all this back up, because here come the storm clouds. It's supposed to rain by the morning, so let's get this all siliconed up after I put one more bolt in, and we'll be done. Well, there we go. It's rock solid now, a lot better. And before it had leaks, so might not be pretty, but until I can get a new one, it'll work. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Everybody travel safe.